In 2020, it has become easier and easier to do the simplest things. Need a ride? We have Uber and Lyft. Need to book a flight? We have Expedia and Priceline. The one thing that these things have in common is that they cut the middleman out. We do things as we always have until someone comes along to challenge it. Before Uber, it was the norm to take a taxi or public transit. Before Expedia, we contacted travel agents to book our flight. One industry that is waiting to be changed is real estate. Since its beginnings, aside from technological advancements, the process of buying and selling a home has been the same. When you decide to sell your house, you hire a realtor in your area. They are a city or state licensed individual who has gone through education and numerous tests to become qualified. A real estate agent has access to something called the Multiple Listing Service, or the MLS. They can see how many houses have sold in the area, how much the house sold for, and even when the house was bought. The realtor will then give you an estimate on how much your home should sell for. From there, the agent will upload your home for everyone to see and will even host open houses for you. The question we must ask is, why can't anyone do this themselves? Let's take Houston, Texas as an example, a constantly booming market with mass migration occurring. In Houston, realtors and consumers use the same website. The difference is that the consumers do not have access to the back-end portion of the website. The consumer is forced to contact a real estate agent in order to buy or sell a home in Houston. This is where a change can occur. Consumers should be allowed to see exactly how much their home can sell for. There is no rocket science involved in how to go about it. Currently, websites such as Zillow, Opendoor, and OfferPad are changing the industry. No matter how much real estate agents shrug this off as a temporary revolution, the truth is that this is just the beginning. iBuyers are removing the hassle from selling a house, offering market value for a home, and slowly pushing out real estate agents from the picture. Even when buying a home from an iBuyer, you are able to access any home by unlocking it from your smartphone. Currently, iBuyers are offering cash for homes up to $500,000, but this will change in the future as it picks up momentum. Now, if you do want that personal touch but do not want to give up 6% of the value of your home, Redfin offers to sell your home for 1.5% or 1% if you sell and buy a home within a year. Now let's talk about an idea that can revolutionize the industry and leave every other company in the dust. What if there was a seller to buyer network where there is no need for a middleman at all? It would follow a similar model to Airbnb, where a homeowner can list their home for rent on the website and a traveler can rent the home on the same website. There is no law that prevents homeowners from buying and selling a home by themselves. Currently, you can buy and sell a home yourself without an agent on forsalebywowner.com. Currently, real estate agents market themselves through making the process easy by offering helpful solutions and getting you the best offer. Anyone can become a real estate agent, but anyone can become a real estate agent. What do agents do exactly? Once again, we will take Houston's market as an example. Once the seller signs with the agent, depending on the agency, an in-house photographer or an external company will take professional pictures. Once everything is put together, the home goes up on the MLS. All the information about the home is automatically pulled from the county's records, and the agent then puts in general information about the interior and exterior of the home. Once uploaded to the MLS, it is visible by all consumers and other agents. On the buyer side, a consumer sees the home and sends it to their own agent. The agent then makes an appointment through the back end and shows you the property while the homeowners vacate the house. Once you've decided to purchase the home, the agent fills out a contract. This contract is fill in the blanks and no real strategy is needed. The contracts that Houston realtors use are written by a group of lawyers whose only job is to write contracts and addendum for realtors to use. After that, all documents are sent to the lender and the title company. From there, the realtor's only job is to coordinate communication to their clients and attend the closing. Sure, the realtors are handy when hiccups occur in the process, but the majority of the problems can be solved by either the title company or the lender. So what is this idea that can bypass a real estate agent and save homeowners tens of thousands of dollars? First, we need a website where people can buy and sell properties anywhere in the country. Second, this website needs to be extremely user-friendly. In today's day, everything needs to be fun and easy to use. When you hail a cab with a single tap, you can track your car on a little map. The entire real estate transaction can be simplified down to a checklist which would celebrate each step you are closer to owning or selling your home. The website can make their own contracts through independent lawyers and break every line down to the consumer, just like the real estate agents break down their own fill-in-the-blank contracts. After that, the process is the exact same as it is now with title companies and lenders. With these simple changes, you can disrupt a multi-billion-dollar industry and make money by advertising home improvement contractors. If you are thinking of starting such a company, you should be warned, as the National Association of Realtors will not take this threat lightly. The organization is currently one of the highest contributors to lobby in DC, and will do anything to keep their industry unchanged. With more than $40 million in 2020, NAR has successfully lobbied on behalf of their members. A lot of their lobbying efforts are to help consumers and homeowners keep more money in their pockets through tax credits. This may seem generous until you realize that the more money that are in the pockets of consumers means the more likely they are to use a real estate agent to buy or sell their next home. This by no means undermines what real estate agents do or have done in the past. This is just a reminder that change is coming. To the real estate agents who say consumers will always need them, may say so because that's always how it's been done. I'm sure that's what cab drivers and travel agents thought.